2. Yeah, it's August 2. The day before I start college. So it's August 2, the day before I start college. And I don't know what I'm feeling right now, but I'm sure as fuck that I'm not excited. It's like I'm more of scared than excited. Sure, I'm thrilled that I'm gonna be in a new environment, but it's just not knowing, you know? I don't know what's gonna happen. It's a new environment. Pros is new environment, and the cons is new environment. So today we're gonna go to the mall and I'm gonna get a haircut. Maybe a trim. No, yeah, a haircut. And we're gonna go grocery shopping and probably a little bit of school supplies. I'm sure I don't have any more pens. I haven't bought a ball pen since like 11th grade. Anyways, I'll just get ready and I'll see you guys later. Okay, so here's the fit. And just some little heels, kitten heels. Because I can't wear my sneakers right now and I got a blister. I'm not feeling myself today. Maybe after I get a haircut, I'll feel more like myself. But yeah. It is August 3, 5:47 a.m. I just got finished getting ready for school. This is the fit. I chose this bag kasi match siya sa hair ko. I broke down earlier because when I woke up around 3 and then I cried for like 30 minutes. I called my best friend. I called Nika. I'm wearing heels though. Because my sneakers, I got a blister on my feet. That's why I wear these heels. I don't get blisters when I wear heels, but when I wear sneakers, it literally my feet, like I don't know why. I'm just meant to be a, like, you know, casual heel or yeah. I'm just doing some TikToks because I feel like this look is not gonna last throughout the day, but let's see, because you know, school air and like my school is in Intramuros, so yeah.
Hi guys, so naliligaw na kami. The date kami. Joke lang.
Naulong gago. Parang ako rin. Parang kung nasa ano pa rin, nasa aeroplano. Ganun yung pakiramdam ko ngayon.
Saan po mo? Friday?
Friday ng gabi. 2 days lang pahinga ko. Tangina, hindi nga pahinga yun eh. So, parang isang araw lang. Kasi kahapon,
Umalis ka.
oo, tas ngayon, pumasok. Bukas may pasok ako ng 7 to 9.
PM?
7 a.m. to 9 p.m. So, makita schedule ko. Gawa eh.
Tapos
Kasi wala.
sinasabi mo pangit schedule to? Ang pangit daw ng schedule ko na ano. Hindi nga, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
So I think you guys can guess. I just got home. As you can see my hair. I thought that I was gonna be wrong because when I woke up earlier, I woke up at like 3:30 a.m. and then I broke down for a couple of minutes because I was like overthinking shit. I was already overthinking a lot, and like I was like, okay, what the fuck? I'm not excited. I'm scared. Not like scared, but don't know what's gonna happen. I don't like not knowing things, and I don't like being in a unfamiliar environment. I was expecting like would have made a couple of friends already, but they were already friends, so I just felt a little out of place. They already had groups, so I didn't want to bother them. I don't want to be that kind of person that just invites themselves into a group. I just don't want to make myself look desperate, you know? All I want to say is, like, I thought I was gonna enjoy it. Let's see if tomorrow's better. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Because I'm just probably gonna lay here and think about tomorrow. Let's see if I'm gonna go back to Nika's tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
So, thank you po. Thank you po. Good luck.
Guys, it's already Saturday, August 8th. That college, like first week of college. Kaso, nagsiswitch kami ng online. So, I don't know kung ano yung i-vlog ko ng online. Online lang naman siya. Pero, yeah, face-to-face naman kami next week. So, baka mag-vlog rin ako next week. My blockmates, it came true that the second day was so much better than the first. So much better than the first. As in, like, grabe yung difference ng first day and second day. Mas kinausap ko yung blockmates ko. Ayun, we're talking na yung mga blockmates ko. Yeah, mga nagchichika na kami. We're getting to know each other. For today, my agenda for today is papagawa ng salamin. Okay, so nakikipag-away na namin. I don't know why. Oh my god, it's already. And now I'm just looking for a pencil case. Maliit na.
Nakalat ko na.
Hindi. Wednesday.
Suspended na naman. Suspended na naman.
Diba? Gusto ko mailikan sa ganyan na. Pero siya.
We're going out today. Sama natin. Pantay. Yan. Wow. Hey, mama. Ayan mo. Una na tayo.
Pinakamalapit sa na boss. Ay, sa tamis. Sapat.
Ito akong bata. Kasi sinasadya. Pero natakot. Hindi ko talaga sinasadya. Wala nga akong ginagawa. Natakot na lang siya sa akin.
Eh di, double primer lang. Maganda rin yan. Yan nga yung gamit ko. Dina-double ko siya. Sunscreen and primer. May lukas papaw ako.
Ay, may lip gloss ako. I can hear the magic word. The magic word. Magic word is alak.